Worship Workshop, Unveiling the Essence of Devotion and Learning. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore an intriguing pair of words, worship and workshop. These words may sound similar, but they have distinct meanings and uses in the English language. Let's dive in and understand each term, and see how they are used in different contexts. Worship refers to the act of showing reverence and adoration for a deity or something held sacred. It often involves rituals, prayers, or songs, and is a significant aspect of many religions and spiritual practices. Here are some key points about worship. Definition: worship is the feeling or expression of reverence and adoration. Usage: it's commonly used in religious contexts but can also be metaphorically used to express intense admiration for someone or something. Examples: people gather in churches, temples, mosques, and synagogues to worship. He has an almost worshipful admiration for his mentor. Workshop has a completely different meaning. It refers to a meeting or a space where a group of people engages in intensive discussion and activity on a particular subject or project. In a workshop, people often learn new skills or enhance existing ones. Here's more about workshops. Definition: a workshop is a brief intensive educational program for a relatively small group of people that focuses on techniques and skills in a particular field. Usage: it's often used in educational, professional, and creative contexts. Examples: the team attended a workshop on effective communication. She set up her painting workshop in the garage. Now, let's compare these two words. Pronunciation: though they start similarly, their pronunciations diverge after the first syllable. Contexts: worship is more spiritual and reverential, while a workshop is practical and skill-oriented. Common mistakes: be careful not to confuse these words due to their similar beginnings. Their meanings and usages are entirely different. I hope this video clears up any confusion between worship and workshop. Remember, worship is about reverence and adoration, often in a religious or spiritual context, while a workshop is a practical session for learning or discussion. Keep practicing, and you'll master these words in no time. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English learning adventure.